Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to Etsy. First, ensure your Canva designs are finalized and ready for export. Think about the type of digital product you are selling, such as a printable or a template. Next, make sure your Etsy shop is fully set up and verified, ready to accept new product listings. This foundational preparation is crucial for a smooth integration process. Once your design is perfect in Canva, it's time to export. For most digital products, a high-resolution JPEG, PNG, or PDF is ideal. Go to the Share button, then Download, and choose your preferred file type and quality settings. Always download at the highest possible resolution, typically 300 dpi, to ensure crisp, clear results for your customers. Now head over to your Etsy Shop Manager. Click Listings, then Add a listing. Select Digital as the product type. Upload your exported Canva files, ensuring they are under 20 megabytes each. If your file is larger, provide a PDF with a download link. Fill in all required details, including a compelling title and description. To maximize your sales, optimize your listing. Use strong keywords in your title and all 13 available tags to improve search visibility. Write a detailed product description that highlights the benefits and uses of your design. Finally, share your new Etsy listing across social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.